Okay, I'm back. Got my lower control arm off. I decided to end up replacing those, so those won't come for a couple of days. But in the meantime, I cleaned up this knuckle, and I'm preparing to put this kryptonite wheel bearing assembly, this hub assembly, in on my knuckle right here. As you can see, I've got the replacement O-ring right there, in through that hole right there for the hub. I bought new bolts. There's the old ones. They look a lot better, don't they? We do need some Loctite to put those in. You need a torque wrench to torque them down. It's 133 pounds, I believe. And there's my impact to get that started, and of course my dust shield. So let's dive right in. Making sure we put this on there the correct way. The holes will line up. See, just like that. There's only one way it can go on, but you can put it on backwards, and you don't want to do it this way. That's going to cause problems for you. So you're going to flip it around, and then you can see that wire is going to slide into that little section right there. And these wires for these kryptonite hubs, they actually come with replacement clips on them, which is pretty cool. So you can pop out the old ones and put these new ones in without having to do much effort. Okay, so we got that there. I found with the other ones, it was easier to set the knuckle onto the hub and then assemble. But before we do that, I'm going to put the O-ring in. Make sure it's in there. Just takes a little wiggle. It slides right on. It's all lined up. I like to make sure the bolts will start before I put some Loctite on them. I have to do a whole lot of moving around and redoing it. Looks good. Generous amount on there. Make sure threads are coated. On the other ones, I had some leftover gel version of this stuff, so I use that. And then whatever method you want to use to make sure you've got them all coated. What I'm doing is I put them in the hole already, right? But I'll start them. And then when I'm done, the ones that are not started yet, no, I haven't done. Which, if you've got a lot more bolts to put in, I start with them out. Oh, got them all coated. That away. And I set my impact for 130. It doesn't go to 133, but we'll just snug them down with this and check them with the torque wrench. see what I'm doing on there? Let's check it. Oh yeah, not too bad. Okay. Now with that done, the best way to check the torque on these is to lay it on its side. Because with 130 pounds, you're gonna need some leverage. Over here. That's good. And the last one. Okay. We're all set. Now it's ready to install.